Graphics. These are available by default in Panel Studio software. They are free of charge. Most of the graphics are with 6 colors, namely blue, brown, green, red, yellow and gray. It is not possible to change colors for these graphics by Application Engineer. These graphics are vector type, high resolution with high quality. Even for small to larger size, it do not affect quality of graphic.
Graphic categories. Various categories are available as shown: arrows, blowers, boilers, conveyors, instruments, lamps, material handling, motors. Nature, office, pipes, power, pumps, push buttons, tanks, valves, vehicles.
How to rotate graphic in design time. Insert graphic in screen. Double-click graphic. In band, select required angle and rotate and click it. OK.
How to flip a graphic in design time. Insert graphic in screen. Double-click at graphic. In band, select flip direction as per the requirement. Then, press OK. Now, you can see graphic flip direction in design time itself.
Graphic, move animation configuration setup. Double-click at selected graphic. Link graphic with tag. Enable move and enter X and Y coordinates properly in Animation tab. Now, in Runtime, if value of tag changes, graphics move as per coordinates defined in design time.
How to change graphic background color. Configuration example. Double-click at selected graphic. Link graphic with tag. Add band. For band 2, enter value as 40 and select the background color as red. Now, in Runtime, if value of tag reaches to 40, background changes to red color.
How to rotate graphic in Runtime. Configuration example. Double-click selected graphic. Link it with a tag. In band, add a band. For band 2, enter value say 50. In rotate, select 180 degree. Now, in Runtime, when value of tag is equal to or more than 50, it rotates 180 degree.
How to change graphics in Runtime. Configuration example. Double-click on selected graphic. In band, add a band. Select required image. Enter the value 40 for band 2. Now, in Runtime, if the value of tag is less than 40, red color arrow will appear. If value of tag is equal to or greater than 40, then green color arrow will appear.
How to control graphic visibility. Configuration example. Double-click at graphic. Link it with a tag. Add a band. For example, in band 2, define value 50 and deselect visibility checkbox in design time. Now, in Runtime, if value of tag is equal to or greater than 50, then graphic disappears.
Sample screen using free graphics in Panel Studio software. It is possible to develop these kinds of excellent screens using free graphics available in Panel Studio software.
Maximum number of graphics in a project. You can insert maximum 500 graphics in a project. You can check how many graphics used in current project from Tools, Project Status. Images means graphics consumed in the current project.
Types of graphics supported in Panel Studio software. All graphics available in Panel Studio software are vector type, WMF format. You can use picture box from enhanced objects to import other graphic formats such as BMP, WMF, JPG, GIF and PNG. If you have your own graphic symbols supported by Panel Studio software, you may store them in folders, then configure graphic path properly from File, Environment Settings. Alternatively, store these folders in the same basic symbols default path.
Maximum bands for graphics. Maximum 32 bands are supported. For example, you may create 4 bands for graphics and rotate graphic. In Runtime, when tag value changes, graphic rotates in 4 different directions.